Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted space for unbiased, in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into what we're confidently calling the best surround sound gaming headset in its class, the Razer BlackShark V2X gaming headset. This headset isn't just another pretty face in the gaming world. It's a tactical audio weapon. Priced competitively around the $39 mark, it offers a robust feature set that easily competes with headsets twice its price. Let's start with design and comfort. The BlackShark V2X is a lightweight headset, weighing in at just 240 grams. That's a huge deal for gamers who clock in long sessions. Razer has built this with breathable memory foam ear cushions, giving your ears a cozy, soft hug while keeping heat and sweat at bay. The over-ear closed bag design isn't just about comfort though. It plays a huge role in passive noise isolation, helping you stay immersed in your game, not your surroundings. Now onto the audio performance, the core of any great headset. Razer has packed this with Triforce 50mm titanium drivers. This cutting-edge, proprietary driver design splits the audio driver into 3 parts to individually tune highs, mids, and lows. What that means for you is richer trebles, more powerful bass, and incredibly clear mids. Whether it's enemy footsteps creeping up behind you or cinematic scores booming through an open-world game, the clarity is top tier. To elevate that experience further, it features 7.1 surround sound. But here's the kicker, it's software-enabled and only available on Windows 10 64-bit systems. So if you're on a PC, you're getting spatial audio precision that gives you a real edge, especially in competitive gaming. For console players, the stereo experience is still excellent, delivering punchy and immersive sound. The microphone on this thing is no afterthought. The BlackShark V2X comes with Razer's hyper-clear cardioid mic. It's built to pick up your voice crisply while cutting out ambient noise from the sides and rear. That's crucial during team comms, whether you're raiding, strategizing, or calling for backup in a clutch moment. Your teammates will thank you for not sounding like you're talking through a tin can. Let's talk compatibility. One of the biggest advantages of this headset is its cross-platform versatility. It uses a 3.5mm jack, making it compatible with PC, Mac, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and just about anything else that has a headphone port. Now, for Xbox One users, you might need an additional stereo adapter, so be sure to check compatibility if you're on that system. On the build quality front, it's got a sturdy but flexible frame. No fancy RGB, no wireless gimmicks, just a focused, performance-first design that puts sound and comfort at the forefront. If you're not into flashy headsets but want something that gets the job done, and done right, this is for you. Now for a quick note on what it doesn't have. There's no built-in battery, since it's a wired headset. That means no charging required, ever, and no latency issues either. Just plug and play. If you're a competitive gamer looking for a budget-friendly headset that delivers high-end surround sound, crystal clear communication, and long-lasting comfort, this is your answer. It's also perfect for anyone who games across multiple platforms and wants a headset that's versatile enough to handle all of them without compromise. Razer has always been known for pushing the limits in gaming peripherals, and the BlackShark V2X continues that tradition. It proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get pro-level features and audio quality. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives from Product Critique. Got questions about this headset or want us to compare it with another? Drop it in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy gaming!